we fought together the priests of this mission.
Pedro!
We crushed the federales in the plains of Oaxaca.
Pedro! You!
Jose! Together we
Burn the village!
burned the village and
Raped the horses!
and we
Rode off on the women!
rode off on the women and
Plundered!
plundered and pruned the
The hedges
hedges
of many small villages.
of many small villages. Who the hell are you? Another one of the goddamn gringos! Take this monkey away! Put him with the other Yankee maricon! What is happening around here today? Are gringos falling from the sky?